Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how we can create hyperlinks in HTML. So what I'll do, I'll just get rid of everything here. And inside of the H1, I will write hyperlinks. Okay, all right, hit save. And now go to the browser. As you can see, nothing happens right now. Okay, to create hyperlinks in HTML, we have to use the anchor element in HTML. Okay, so I have opened up the documentation on MDN for the anchor element. So the HTML element or the anchor element with its href attribute, which we will see, and this is something which we haven't seen yet. Okay, creates a hyperlink to web pages, files, email addresses, locations in the same page or anything else a URL can address. Okay, the content within each A should indicate the link's destination. If the href attribute is present, pressing the enter key while focused on the A element will activate it. Okay, all right. So what we have to do, basically, we have to go here and let's create the hyperlink. So I will just add the A and then close it up here and do something like go to Google, something like this. Hit save. Now if I just go to the browser, so as you can see, this text is not looking like a link, and also I cannot click on this text. Okay, and this is looking like just a paragraph here. But now if I just open up the DevTools, as you can see, this element is the anchor element here, right? So as we just learned here, we have to use the HTML attribute which is called href. Okay, so what we have to do, basically, we have to go here and inside of this particular opening tag, just after the A, not before or not here, just after this. Okay, just after this particular A tag, okay, we have to write href and hit enter, and it will open up the double quotes. So href equals to, and then open up the double quotes. Okay, and inside of that, what we have to do, we have to add the destination where this link should go. So what I can do, I can just write www.google.com. okay, hit save. Now if I just go to the browser, as you can see, now this looks like a link, and also our cursor changes here. The cursor becomes a pointer, and now if I just click on this particular link, let's see what happens. Okay, all right. As you can see, we are not getting to the google.com. We are getting like, hey, cannot get to www.google.com. And here, please note what exactly is the URL. Okay, so I'll just copy this URL here and I'll just go here, and inside of a comment, I will paste this URL. So whenever we are clicking on this link, what is happening? We are going to google.com, www.google.com, but we are not changing the localhost. Basically, this HTTP, then this particular address 127.0.0.1, it stands for the localhost. What exactly is the localhost? Localhost is the host of the machine, and then we are having the port number which is 5500. Okay, so this is basically what is happening. So why exactly it is happening? It is happening because if I just go here, as you can see, we are using this localhost, right? And we are not saying like, hey, you should be using the HTTP or the HTTPS protocol. So what we have to do basically here is we have to go here, and just before this URL, we have to do https://. Okay, and I'll just get rid of this one. All right, if I just do something like this and now refresh, Yeah, I shouldn't have to refresh, but let's do that. And now if I just click on this go to Google, as you can see, we are getting to Google, right? So we have to prepend our URLs with HTTP or HTTPS. Okay, all right. So I'll just go back to my page, and as you can see, as we have visited this web page, now the blue color is gone and the color of our link is now changed. Okay, all right. So this is how we can create a link. Now let's focus on this particular syntax, which says href. So href is an HTML attribute. So we have many of the HTML attributes which we will see throughout this course, right? For different elements, we have different type of attributes. One of the other attributes which I want to show it to you in this video is called a target. So let's do target, and I'll just get rid of that, and equals to. Now we have to open up the double quotes. Technically you can use single quotes, but the double quotes are preferred while using HTML elements. Okay, and inside of that, if I just do control and space in VS Code, then you will have some of the options. So as you can see, we are having underscore blank, then we are having underscore parent, we are having underscore self, and we are having underscore top. Okay, so I will go through only one of them, which is the underscore blank. So what exactly this target attribute will do to this anchor element? Basically, what will happen whenever we will be clicking on this go to Google link, our Google page will open in a new tab. Okay, so if I just go here, so now if I just click on this go to Google link, as you can see, the Google page is opened inside of a new tab. Okay, awesome. So in that way, HTML attributes can be very helpful. And as you can see in this documentation, here we have the href to HTTPS, which we saw. We will see this mail to and the tell in the upcoming videos. Okay, so there are some of the attributes as well. As you can see, there are attributes and so on. Okay, all right. So this is basically the anchor element in a nutshell. So what we will do, basically we have to span across multiple videos to cover up the anchor elements, because we can create multiple types of links by using the anchor elements, which we will see throughout the upcoming videos. Okay, all right. So this is the anchor elements in HTML, and this is how we can create hyperlinks in HTML.